Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I think we have a quickie. It is the Allure Beauty Box. It is my May box. Let's get into it and check it out. Allure is a beauty box. It's been around for a long time. We get 6 products, 3 full size, 3 deluxe samples, I think they call them. I think they say that we'll have a better than $120 value. You can do customization on one of your products. Usually it's for color. We all get the same product, but you get to choose the color that's best for you. I fully, as a very light-skinned girl, fully appreciate that. Let's see what's in this month's box. I do remember, I think I do. I'm kind of proud of myself because you guys know I'm terrible at remembering. I think I remember what my choice was, and I'm very excited to have it. When we open it up, we have our paperwork that tells us a little bit about everything that's on the inside, and then that's my goodies. Allure Beauty Box has been a really great box lately. I will put a link down below for you, but I am in no way affiliated with Allure. We're just going to reach in and take something out. We have Belief Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. We have to read about this before I smear it on myself. Swatch it would be a much nicer way to say that, because a lot of their products have licorice root in them. What is with licorice root? I know what it is. It's very calming, so a lot of people like it. But let me tell you about it, and if it's one of our full size or part size. It feels kind of heavy to be a deluxe sample. It is $32 for 0.5 ounces. I believe that's what we have. It is why you'll love it. Coffee, Diet Coke, and this eye treatment have more in common than you think. Well, it's going to be caffeine. They're all packed with caffeine to instantly jolt you and your under eyes awake after a late night, a long meeting, and a puffy morning. Press the pump to distribute the lightweight gel, then gently press the ceramic tip to the under eye area. $32 value. I'm gonna have to go further with the ingredients because there's a billion. Nope, there is technically nothing in here I can't use. Sometimes the caffeine will scare me off, but this sounds really intriguing, and I kind of want to give it a try. So let's at least get into it. Ooh, and see what it feels like. How do we get it up again? It told us. Press the pump. Press what pump? Oh, probably here. Okay, the pump is just here. It's like, what is the pump? Okay, we got just a little bit. Can you see? Just a little bit came out of it. Put it on the back of my hand. That's probably how much you would use on an eye. It feels kind of silicone-y. There's a lot of slip to it. It doesn't have much of a scent. And it goes away. It absorbs really, really quickly. That feels kind of nice, actually. So as long as the caffeine is not a problem, I will for sure be, yeah, it's absorbed completely. I will for sure be trying that. Kind of exciting to have a Belief product that I can use, because usually I can't use their products. Next out, we have an Indota, is that how you say it? New Age Hyaluronic Lip Treatment. That is what it looks like when we get it out. And it says that it is the Indota Hyaluronic Lip Treatment, the #1 product in every Allure editor's bag. Lip balm. We probably have at least 3 tubes each, including this one, which is pumped with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump lips, along with cocoa seed butter for a subtly sweet scent. It is $37 for this. So this is another full-size product. I don't know this brand, $37. So it's just a nice, there we go. Just a nice clear lip balm. We'll put it on this side since we have the eye cream on the other side. Feels exactly like you think a lip balm is going to feel. I don't know if you can tell, it left it kind of, oh yeah, it is just a little bit sweet. It left it kind of shiny. I don't know this brand, so we will give them a try. Next out we have, ooh, I don't know in which order I'm going to open these boxes, but I just had the oil from this as I purchased it as an add-on in my Ipsy Ultimate. This is the Sol de Janeiro 87. That's not true. I think my other one is a different number. Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 87 Rio Radiance Perfume Mist. Craving a vacation? Same, but no need to trade in your PTO days when you have this seaside-inspired body mist. 1 spritz of the creamy coconut milk, warm sand, and cozy vanilla scent will instantly transport you to sunnier days, sunnier locales, and tropical cocktails. Retail is 240 mils is $39. We have 30 mils, which is about an 1/8, which makes it about $5 worth. This is, yes, this is a different number. The number in my box was 60. So it was the original pistachio scented one. So let's see what this smells like. I have a granddaughter that loves the smell of these, so I think I've smelled most of them. And they smell so good on her, and I never love them on me. Oh, that smells pretty good. Like it. Very fresh, very vacation-y. Yep. So this one was our first sample size. All right, next out, we have the Refi Face Setter Spray Fixateur. If you prefer a dewy look, the Superfine Setting Spray makes for the perfect routine closer. It's made with humectants, glycerin, and polyglutamate acid to lock in moisture and your makeup. And it is $28 for 1.69 ounces. That is what we have. So this is full size. It must come in 2 sizes. I bet this is a travel size, but this one is $28. Shake the bottle to mix. Hold at least 8 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I'm a giver and this is my last video and I love you guys. But this isn't the best season for me to use. As you can tell, it's been warm up here today. To use a dewy setting spray, I bought, this is a great time to talk about it. I bought an Anastasia Beverly Hills Impeccable setting spray that I have been using, and it's mattifying. Love it. No sensitivity to it. Like it very much. Do love a dewy setting spray, but I will probably set it around. There's nothing written on here. Oh, there it is. I will probably set this aside until like October when I need a little dewiness in my face. But let's see what it feels like, what it smells like, how fine the mist is, that kind of thing. Although I smell really good from the Sol de Janeiro, so. If you've been around the channel for a while, remember where it was a hose? It makes me a little gun shy. I'm going to start it here. My eye is twitching. I got so nervous and so tight of squeezing. That's funny. Oh yeah, that's a very nice fine mist. And actually it feels good on my face because it's so warm up here. I don't think it has a scent. So if you are sensitive to scents, I would say this one is perfect for you. Like I said, the component, just for the record, feels really nice. It feels, it's plastic, but it's firm and it's heavy. There's something about it. I don't know this brand, but there's something about it that feels very bushy and it feels very nice on my face. Oh, it said shake it. We didn't shake it. You didn't remind me. We probably just used all the good stuff. So, like I said, I will set this aside. I'm using mattifying. We're in mattifying season. I will go into dewy season come fall. But I will be happy to have that because I just did a speech in a video where I actually opened the Anastasia that I ordered about, we went through a phase where setting sprays came in every single box. We got so many setting sprays. I had a dozen. I would just do whatever felt good that day. And then we got none ever again. Like setting sprays were out. They were done with us. We'd had a fight and they had ghosted us. And I started thinking about how old the ones that I had were. And I was like, that's an awkward amount of old. So I got rid of most of them and then I had none. So I just ordered that Anastasia and look, very next box. Okay, and last, and it was my choice in this box, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is the Dip Brow Pomade and the brush that goes with it. I use this. When it first came out, I 100% of the time use this. I chose soft brown. That's what we got to choose. And there were like 4 or 5 color choices. It was a pretty broad spectrum. So we get the little pot and the brush. I will show you this because I'm sure I'm going to take it downstairs. I have been trying to train myself to use the brushes that are just, they have the color on them. Like mascara. I can't. My brows are too thin and I can't not get it all over my... Okay. When we open it up, I chose, again, the soft brown. That is what it looks like, all fresh and clean, and nobody has touched it yet. Oh, this is the brush. This is the end we put it on with. We got a little spoolie at the other end. I just tap, tap, tap. It picks it up really, you need so little. It picks it up really well. I think I have too much on here, so this is getting ready to go amok. But as I said, this is my last video. My husband can just be like, what's going on with your eyebrows? And I just work it in. Oh, yeah. Can you see? This is the soft brown. So maybe consider, well, A, put less on your brush. Do as I say, not as I do. This is clearly, oh, good heavens. This is clearly a little dark for me. I think it's what I used to use. What is, well, I have to finish it now. Thank goodness this is the last product out. How are we doing? Oh my goodness. I'm just going to finish it up. We're going to do both of my brows and I'm going to wait and see what my husband says. See if he says anything or if he just kind of side eyes me all evening. That is hilarious. I don't think my brows have ever been this dark. I suspect if I had put much less on the brush, I would be fine. And let's be honest, many peoples wear their brows this dark. I just don't generally, so it is shocking to me. Let's see if I can. Goodness gracious, I should quit. Oh, you know, it's blending in pretty nicely. I should quit saying that I'm not good with the other one. I'm clearly not good with this one either. Okay, I'm gonna need you guys to be honest with me. There's a huge difference here. Yes? Which is better? Do I use too little or too much? Too much, not enough. I feel like I look like, oh, who's the guy from Schitt's Creek? The dad. I feel like I have his eyebrows. Oh my gosh, Eugene Levy. I feel like I have a Eugene Levy eyebrow. We got to make the other one match, because if I don't make it match, he will notice immediately. I'm going to tap. Well, I guess technically I need to do it kind of the same, but I'm going to pick up a little less, I hope. And we'll do this one. So anyway, as I finish this brow up, I will say that is the Allure Beauty Box. I think I pay $27. I'll let you know up in that corner what I pay. If you do it longer over time, you save some money versus if you do it monthly or every 3 months. I love it. I would have no hesitation in doing this box for a year. You know, there are some boxes that we get that I'm like, oh, I'm not sure, because they go through good times and bad times. And Allure did that a couple of years ago. They went through a time where they probably were not my favorite, but they have been so good now for, I was going to say months, but it might even be way more than a year. I'm sure that there are makeup people out there that are watching me do this. Like, you know, when you watch somebody do something you do well and you just want to take it from them and do it for them, they're probably losing their minds. Sisters, not twins. That's what somebody always said. Sisters, not twins. Okay, I will admit, now that they're both done that dark color, I don't absolutely hate it, but it does feel shockingly dark to me. Okay. You guys feel free to let me know what you think. Just don't be too mean. This is what I got to choose. This is soft brown. What does it say? Hold on. I didn't read to you guys about it and tell you how much it was worth. Now I kind of wish it was tucked back behind my readers. Anastasia, oh, they did the brushes separate. They're saying that this has a $22 value. It's her brush 12 dual-ended firm angled brush to use with the dip brow. The Anastasia dip brow was available in medium brown, dark brown, soft brown, or taupe. So other than the taupe, which is for blondes, this is the lightest. So I'm thinking, I feel like they need their own Instagram page. They've taken on a life of their own. I feel like Clippy. Do you remember? You might have to be a certain age to remember Clippy too. The 2010s are back in a major way, and it shows up with this iconic brow pomade. I used it in the 2010s too. I had more brows, I think, in the 2010s. The I know, you can only stare at my brows now, right? You don't see anything else. The multitasking pigment can be used to shape, shade, and fill brows all in one go. It's also waterproof. Oh, good. I wouldn't want it to fade. So you never have to worry about your look running once it's set. $25. So they say this is $25 and this was $22. So this is a $47 set. So this alone way covers the cost of your box. And if you're really good with it, like me, it's so worth it because of the box. Again, I just really have been so happy with my Allure. So this month we got the Anastasia, the brow and the brush, the lip balm from Idota. I don't know anything about that brand. The nice trial size. That was our only trial size. The Sol de Janeiro body mist spray perfume, whatever word you like, is our only trial size. The Refi is a dewy setting mist, so I will set it aside for a few months, but it'll be there when I need it, and I'll be glad about it. I'm going to try the Belief. It's one of the first ones that hasn't had licorice root in it, so I am super happy to try that. Did I cover everybody? I think everybody's on board. So yeah, our only sample was the Sol de Janeiro. It's another great month. Okay, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I feel like I want to apologize for my eyebrows, or at least my ability to do my eyebrows, but you'll have to let me know if you liked them lighter or darker. I can't see much of myself in the camera because of the lights right behind them. I feel like it's a lot. I feel like they're coming for you. Okay, I might be a little silly. This might be the 4th video I just made in a row, and I think it's time to stop. Thanks again, guys, for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you don't subscribe, if you would consider doing it, we'd love to have you here in our community. Please give us a thumbs up. It helps us out there in the algorithms, and I hope you have a fantastic evening or weekend or whatever we have coming up. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon.